Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Aeitto ice maker. Both promise to deliver 26 pounds of ice per day, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's dive into their features and see which one stands out in terms of performance, design, and value for money. When it comes to price, the Igloo ice maker is a budget-friendly option at just $87. Making it an excellent choice for those looking for value. On the other hand, the Aeitto ice maker is priced at $199.99, reflecting its additional features and capabilities. While both machines produce the same amount of ice, the price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and needs. In terms of ice customization, the Igloo produces a single size of bullet ice, which is great for general use. However, the Aeitto offers two sizes of bullet ice, allowing for more versatility depending on your drink preferences. This feature can be particularly useful for those who enjoy different types of beverages, from cocktails to smoothies. When it comes to speed, the Aeitto ice maker has the edge, producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cubes. If you're in a hurry and need ice quickly, the Aeitto's faster production time may be a significant advantage for you. To wrap up, both the Igloo and Aeitto countertop ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Igloo is a fantastic budget option, while the Aeitto offers more features for those willing to invest a bit more. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.